In this video, we are to express all the relationships given into a linear manner and check if we can simplify all of these relationships into the simple linear regression equation. So, solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution 1. We are given y to be equal to b1 exponential b2x. So the next thing to do is for we to employ the logarithm. So we say from logarithm ln y is equal to ln b1 exponential b2x. And we know that we say but log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So from logarithm, we'll have this. So we employ what we have written here into this part of the equation. So we'll have ln y to be equal to ln B plus ln exponential b2x. It then means that ln y is equal to ln b plus, if you take the ln function of an exponential function, you get that function. So it will now be plus b2x. Of course, we can compare with our linear form. Y to be equal to ln y. We also have our slope, which is m, to be equal to b2, x to be equal to x, and our c, which is the intercept, to be equal to ln b. So we can simply write y to be equal to mx plus c, where m is our slope and where c is the intercept. Just like the regression equation, we can still write it to be ln y, which is our transformed linear model, to be b2x plus ln b. So plus ln b1. So this is simply how we can write. This is the transformed linear model for the first question given. So this is simply how we can transform this model. Of course, this we can call the simple linear equation. So we'll check the number 2 if it can still be written in this pattern. We'll check the number 2. And we have our number 2 to be this. We'll have our number 2 to be this. So what we need to do is to clean this part of the board first. We said we should express in linear manner. So let's clean this part. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we'll bring our number 3 and 4 up. Number 3 is y is equal to log b1 plus exponential b2x. And number 4 is y is equal to b1 all over b1 minus b2 into exponential negative b2x minus exponential b1x. So we can clean this. Now, if our number 2, we say solution 2. Solution 2. If our number 2 is y is equal to b1 x raised to the power of b2, what do we do to make that relationship linear? What do we do? How can we transform what we have here into a linear model? How can we transform this? We say from logarithm ln y is equal to ln b1 x raised to the power of b2 raised to the power of b2. So what we have here is to say, but from logarithm again, we have log ab to be equal to log a plus log b. So we have ln y to be equal to ln b1 plus ln x raised to the power of b2. We should also note from logarithm again, because we have something here. From logarithm, we have that log a raised to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. A raised to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. So we apply what we have here into this point. We can do that this part of the board. So we'll move over to this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we have ln y for our number 2 to be equal to ln b1 plus. So what we have here, b2 will move over to this side to give us b2 ln x. So we have b2 ln x. Now we can now compare. We can now compare with our linear formula. Y can be ln y. We also have our slope, which is n, to be b2. We have our x prime to be ln x, and we have our c to be ln b1. So we can write y prime to be equal to mx prime plus c. Here this is our slope and this is our intercept. So our transformed linear equation can be written as y to be equal to b2 ln x plus ln b1. So this is our transformed linear equation. These are transformed linear equation for the number 2, for the solution 2 given. These are transformed linear equation for the solution 2. Now we'll also talk about the number 3 given, to see if we can put this relationship into a linear manner. So for we to do that, we have to clean this part of the board, which is number 2. We'll clean everything to move over to our number 3. So that is what we'll do.